Hello friends, it's Danny here, and I am super excited to be sharing today that I have rejoined the Oh So Inspired team, that collab team that Crafty Al has. Every month on the 20th or around the 20th, I'll be stopping by to share how I was inspired by whatever inspiration piece we choose that month. I am part of the collab team. In the description box below, there will be a playlist. You can click on that to see all of the videos, or everyone's channel is linked below as well. This month, we were inspired by Fiona Witten. You can find her links in the description box, and I'll pop the inspiration piece up on the screen now. And I was inspired by that row of hexagons on the left. I just really like the look of that. For my card, I did use a very old Stampin' Up! Punch, the Hexagon Punch. I used some Gina Marie Designs glitter enamel dots. I used the Miss Anya Sweaters stamp set, and then I used some 6x6 paper from Not Too Shabby called Snow Fantasy. If anything is still available, I will link it in the description box below, but I feel a lot of this is retired. And here is my card. You can see those hexagons. I'll pop that inspiration piece up, hopefully over here. I did some gold embossing for the warm hugs, and then I colored her up to kind of match the colors there. I thought she just turned out adorable. And then there's the inside. So that is how I was inspired this month. Again, I hope that you will hop around and see what everyone else created, as there is really so much inspiration by the other collab team members. And again, everything's in the description box. Short and sweet this month. Other months it might not be. Anyways, thanks so much for stopping by. Go do something for yourself and go get crafty. Bye.